If you want to install Claude on your PC, the process is quick and straightforward. To get started, open your preferred web browser and head to the Claude download page. Once you're there, you'll see different download options depending on your device. Select the version that matches your system and wait for the installer to finish downloading. After that, open the setup file and follow the on-screen instructions to install Claude on your PC. Once the installation is finished, launch Claude and sign in using your email address or Google account. Complete the verification process and allow the app to open when prompted. After signing in, you can customize a few settings, such as keyboard shortcuts and whether Claude appears in your system tray. Choose the options you prefer and continue through the setup. When everything is complete, Claude will be ready to use on your desktop. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.